What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the faucet in your bathroom. Sorry. We bought this brand of faucet, so we're gonna unpackaging and let's start it. So this is a faucet. We're gonna take it off first. We have to take off everything. So we go under the sink and you see there is the connection for the handles and the connection for the faucet. So we're gonna unloose all of these to the top and remove the sink. So we have to take off all those screws and those nuts, and after that we're gonna go on the top and take that one off. So first you need to shut off the water to the cold side and the hot side.
Turn off the other side. So both sides is off.
And then first we test to make sure we don't have any water or no, because sometimes those shut off valve is bad. You have to always test it. So now we're gonna take the everything apart. As you see is already loose, so we're gonna take that apart. Let's I'm gonna so I'm gonna unloose that one. I see it's already loose. I'm gonna take that one off. So I have to take the hose off first.
You have to put your two finger here.
So the way you want to take the hose off, you have to put your two finger or something like a plier and just push it down. So it's gonna come off.
And do the other one. Yeah.
It's that easy. So all of them you can turn it off like this. So you see you have a water. So now we took all of the hose off. Now we have to take that screw off, this one off, and the other one off, and that hose off too. So we get the crossing wrench and we start unloosing the hose. No, it's very simple. We just have because it's hard to get to the part. That's a problem, but the normally is easy. So now I'm gonna take the screw off. We have a two screw. You can use the screwdriver or I use a drill, so that's easier. So we take this nut off. There you go, we took that handle off. So on the hot side we took it off, so now we're gonna do the other side. So now we take everything off. We took the this side. We're gonna take the screw off. So everything is off. Now we have to go to take the drain out. So we have to lose that white now.
And take this one off. So this one off from here. What's this? But I have to take this.
There you go, we take that one off.
First.
So now we have to take that one off and put the new one. So we have to unloose it from that black nut.
So this one came out. So actually I'm just
There you go, it was threaded. So I just unthreaded, lose it, and I took that one off. Now we're gonna put the new faucet.
So this one will go here, and you see it's red. So red will go in the left side.
So that's a hot side. I see it has a red mark. So that's hot. So we put that one here, and we go on the bottom and try to tighten that knot.
Put this washer first, and then that we're gonna.
So you have to first put that washer,
Let's go to the
and after that you put the tie it with a knot. So this is a picture of how to do it.
So we don't hide it all the way to see how it's gonna look. Make sure this flash is this way.
So that's
this
arrow.
long one is close to
Make sure that arrow is that side, and the long hose be next to the middle, and the other one be on the other side. The same thing for that. Now we're gonna put the washer on the top. So if you see the washer, one side is bigger and the other side. So make sure the other side has the clips and go on the bottom. And make sure the start point for that is like this, and you turn it like this. So you have, when you put it, it should be that way. And now you see it just go 90 degree, and now we make sure it's just going 90 degree. We're gonna tighten that. So we do the same thing for the other handle. So now look, it's not going 90, so we have to move it under the sink. So that arrow I show you under the sink should be 90 degree. It should be the same side, so both arrow go on the south. Let me show you. So I'm gonna hold it on the bottom with my hand and turn it. So I turn it in the bottom. It's still doing the same thing. So now I just push it with that on the top, and I'm gonna hold it on the top with my hand, and on the bottom with the other hand, and tie it. So I'm gonna tie it here, and also I'll go in the bottom and tie the knot too. So now I'm gonna go on the bottom and tie that knot a little more.
I'm gonna tie that knot a little more.
You see, I'm gonna tie that knot more. You see, it's 90 degree now.
So it's supposed to be like this. 90. So this is let's push it. This side.
I put the washer, and I'm gonna put the faucet and that knot.
So I just put that.
So I put the washer, kind of washer,
I put the knot,
and I put that knot to hold the
and it's tied.
faucet. So we're gonna tie that here. So because the connection between these two has to be is different, so we have to add these two connection. So the blue one is cold and the red one is hot. So you just need to push the hose inside, that's it. And when you hear click, so you know it's fixed. It's all the way in. So I do the same thing for the hot side. You have to put this on, so to connect to the main, to the water, that hot side. So you have to push it and after that tight that nut. So first you have to push it to hear the click. So I pushed it and tied it. So I'm gonna do the same thing in this side. Now I'm gonna put the drain. So you put that one first. So now I put the washer. I forgot to put the washer. I put the washer. Now this washer is on the bottom and this one is going on top. So we're gonna put this washer first. And then we put that knot. We tie it.
So I'm done. I did this one. And I tied that one.
There you go. And I connect everything back.
So that one.
Everything is ready.
I'm gonna turn on the water here.
So I'm gonna open the cold side
Turn on the water here.
to run the water a little.
And this.
Just make sure there is no leak.
Yeah, leak or not.
More.
So the water's on.
I tied that one more. And again I tested, there is no leak. Even in the cold side
And there's no leak here.
and the hot side, both of them is good.
Thank you for watching.
Both cold and hot are open.
I'll show you how to fix the
And we're going to
problem
test
at
the
home.
drain. So when you push that, it's gonna work.
Fix your home by yourself.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Have a great day.